Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Book 2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Book 2 isn't displaying any video, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various factors, such as a faulty display connector or a malfunctioning GPU. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, resulting in more extensive damage and costly repairs. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement display connector. Make sure you have a clean workspace and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device. First, power off your Surface Book 2 and unplug it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully create a gap between the device's casing and the screen. Work your way around the edges to unclip the casing gently. Take your time to avoid damaging any internal components. Once the casing is removed, locate the display connector, which is usually situated near the hinge. It can be tricky to find, so ensure you have good lighting. After locating it, gently disconnect the display cable by lifting the locking mechanism before pulling the cable out. Now, take your replacement connector and insert it carefully into the slot, making sure it aligns correctly. Once in place, press down on the locking mechanism to secure it. Be cautious while handling the components, applying too much force can damage them. After replacing the connector, it's time to reassemble your device. Start by placing the casing back onto the Surface Book 2, ensuring all clips are aligned. Press down gently around the edges to snap it back into place. Finally, power on your device to check if the display is working. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid forcing the screen open too harshly and ensure that the device is not exposed to extreme temperatures or humidity. Regularly check for software updates, as these can also affect hardware performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.